Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are discussing the DJI Crystalsky monitor and specifically today's firmware release for that monitor. DJI have pushed out a very big update for Crystalsky with lots and lots of new features, and there are a couple of them that are very important and are going to make a lot of people happy. So to get started, the new firmware is version 02.04.02.00. In this, they have updated the DJI Go apps, as you can see here, to 4.1.1.4 and the Go 3 app to 3.1.18. As well as that, they've done a whole host of other things on the Crystalsky as well. Now, a couple of these are very, very big ones, and we'll come onto them in a minute. They've added a few other little tidbits as well, which is added data transmission, so you can send your recorded videos and stuff between devices. They've added display optimization for quick settings. They have added 3 new HDMI modes on the quick settings page. So, whereas before on Crystalsky, it would output on HDMI an identical copy of the main screen, it now actually gives you the option to show just the camera view, a picture-in-picture view, or a direct copy of the main screen. So this is a really welcome update. It's added a couple of other little ones: daily usage figures, high resolution transcoding. X7 support has now been added as well, and official Syndense support as well. You've now got the color waveforms for the Inspire 2 series with the X5. Now this is where it gets to the important ones. First of all, they have fixed the compass calibration problem. This is the issue where the radar would jump about on the bottom left-hand corner of the Crystalsky device. They have now optimized the compass calibration program. So what you need to do is update your device, then recalibrate the compass, and then your radar screen should work much, much better than it did before. Second big thing is they have removed the restriction on third-party applications. So you can now load third-party apps onto the Crystalsky device. Now, DJI are being very clear in saying that they do not support it, and it will not work very well potentially, and if you experience problems, they recommend to remove the app or reset the device. However, the third-party lock has been removed. Now, they have said up to 20 third-party applications are supported. The understanding is, or the belief is, that 20 is not a hard number limitation, but it's the number that can be displayed on the app screen itself. So whereas you might actually be able to put more on, you will only be able to see 20 apps. Now, the next question people have asked is, well, how are you going to get these apps on there? Well, currently there is no Play Store on Crystalsky, and you cannot install the Play Store officially either. So if you want to put apps on your Crystalsky device, you will have to do it via loading the .apk file onto an SD card and placing that in the device and installing it that way. Now, I am going to do a complete separate video on doing this shortly. This video, I just wanted to talk about the update specifically. A couple of things with this. What it does mean is you will only be able to install free apps at this moment in time. Because you do not have access to the Play Store, you cannot download apps that you have paid for, like Litchi and those other ones. So you will only be able to install apps that you can get the .apk file for. Now, you might ask, where can I download APK files? Well, there are many websites out there that allow you to. This is APK Pure here. Again, talking about the legal sides of it, I can only condone downloading free apps via APK. There are places where you can download paid app APKs. I'm not going to condone or recommend that in any shape or form. But this website will allow you to download generic APK files. So if we wanted to look at a DJI app, so if we search for DJI, and it will show us a couple of the apps that are available. So you have, for instance, Control Plus for DJI, which you will need for Pix4D. So Pix4D contains 2 apps. For instance, you would need, if we search for Pix4D, you will get 2 apps come up. You will get Pix4D Capture and Pix4D Control DJI. So if you wanted to install Pix4D Capture, you would just click on it, download the APK file, put it on an SD card and place that into your Crystal Sky device, and it would allow you to watch it from there. The Pix4D would also require you to install the Control Plus DJI, which takes the control over from the remote controller. So that is it for this video. I would suggest everybody downloads this update. I think it's a really big update for Crystal Sky. It brings a lot of new welcome features that I think everybody's going to love. I will do a far more detailed video very soon, going through the exact steps required and some of the other features. But please subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much.